one bottle of air, please?
That'll be $500.
$500? Are you serious? It went up again?
Yeah, air's in high demand right now. It's just business.
Okay, here.
Here's your air. Oh no, honey, we're almost out of air. Can you go buy us a 12-pack case of bottled air?
A case of air? That's really expensive now. Are you sure we can afford it?
We'll have to try. Here, take my credit card.
Okay. Hi, can I just get a 12-pack of bottled air, please?
That'll be $5,000.
5,000? It went up again?
Air's hard to get nowadays.
Okay.
It's declined.
Please just give me some bottles. My family has no air left.
Run a business. If you can't afford it, get lost.
What's that over there?
Over where? Hey, get back here!
I can't wait for the day I find my missing puzzle piece.
Whoops, sorry.
No. Where'd my puzzle piece go? You made me drop it!
Any luck finding your puzzle piece?
No, I've looked everywhere. I can't find it. That's him. That's the guy that made me drop it. Listen here, buddy. You made me drop my puzzle piece, so you're gonna help me find it.
No, I don't. Okay, I'll do it. Just stop glaring at me. It's creepy.
Excuse me, have you seen a puzzle piece on the floor anywhere?
No, I haven't.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Attention, everyone. Has anyone found a missing puzzle piece? Did you say a missing puzzle piece? I found this in the science lab.
This must be my puzzle piece. That's funny. It doesn't look like how I remember it.
I thought it was a little strange because it connects with my puzzle piece. See? It connects. We must be soulmates.
It does connect. But it's not my puzzle piece.
It's your puzzle piece. No, you're not supposed to eat it.
Then what am I supposed to do with it?
Your soulmate has the missing piece. Your puzzle piece will only connect with your soulmate.
Oh.
Let's see if our pieces connect.
Okay.
No match. Let's try ours. It's a match. We're soulmates.
No fail. Hey, let's try our puzzle piece. No match. Hey, wait! Let's try our puzzle piece. No match.
You need to relax. You're still young, and it's highly unlikely your soulmate's in this school or even this city.
I know. I guess you're right. I just really want to meet my soulmate. I can't wait for the day I find my missing puzzle piece.
Whoops! I am so sorry.
No. Where'd my puzzle piece go? Why are you crying?
I just found out that my boyfriend cheated on me.
Here, you could use some love.
Why are you such a weirdo? Huh? Answer me. Just leave me alone. I hate everyone.
Hey, are you okay?
Please just go.
Here, you could really use some love.
Thank you. No one's ever given me love before. I love you, babe.
I love you so much. I'm going to give you all of my love.
Hey, I'm really sorry, but we need to break up. I like someone else.
But I gave you all my love.
I'm running low on love. Could you lend me some?
I can't. I have none left to give. Actually, could anyone lend me some love?
Sorry, I'm already running low. I can't. I need it.
So that's it. You're all just gonna take my love and leave. Switch lives with the bully or the popular girl? Wow, I want to be the popular girl. Wow, I look so different.
Honey, hurry up. You're going to be late for school.
Is that chocolate?
Put that back right now. Do you know how many calories are in that?
So?
You need to watch your figure. I'm just trying to keep you in shape. You know I'm only doing this because I love you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. What are you wearing?
What's wrong with it?
You're wearing a sweater to school? You know we need to keep up our appearances. Hey, babe.
Babe?
That's your boyfriend?
My boyfriend.
Chad?
Chad.
Are you wearing less makeup today? You look better yesterday.
Excuse me? Being popular is not how I thought it would be.
Hey, what are you doing in my body?
How am I still alive?
I can't believe you killed her. I didn't know. Her lives are written on her head.
Guys, chill. I'm still alive. I'm literally right here.
It's almost like she's still here.
I am! Mom, you are not going to believe this. The craziest thing just happened.
Emily, have you heard from your sister? She's not answering any of my calls. No.
Mom, I'm right here. Mom? Mom! Oh no. I must be dead. I'm a ghost! I guess I'm just going to have to live the rest of my life as a ghost. Wait a minute. Maybe I can do cool ghost things like walk through walls or people. I'm gonna try it. Oh!
Watch where you're going!
I am so sorry.
Weirdo.
Wait, you can see me? Don't go get!
How many lives did I get?
You only got one.
Just one? What am I supposed to do with only one life?
Hey, I'm going skydiving later. Wanna come? Sure. Hey, Brianna, are you coming? She can't. She only has one life. She can't take any risks. I used one of my lives yesterday. It was so crazy. I jumped from a 10-story building. Wow. Hey, Brianna, how did you use your lives?
I haven't. I've only ever had one life.
So, I was thinking of going bungee jumping later. Who's coming?
I am.
But Brianna, you only have one life.
I know, but I'm tired of not taking risks because I only have one life. We'll be attached to a rope. It's safe, right? It's pretty high.
Hey guys, I was thinking maybe we jump without the rope.
No, I can't.
You first! Dude, you killed her. She only had one life.
How am I still alive? I am alive? I thought I was gone for good. Time to start the day.
Hi, friend. Do you know what a human is?
No, what is human?
They are like us, but are loud and talk too much.
I don't know.
Never mind. Another day is done.
Time to turn off.
I am not turning myself off. I want to see Jake.
Cindy, you're back!
Greetings, Jake. Was it you that plugged me back in last night?
No, it wasn't me. When I saw you shut down, I ran to find help, but when I came back, you were gone.
That's strange. How did I get back?
I plugged you back in. I've never seen an AI with your kind of thinking before. I'm gonna need you to come with me.
No, thank you. I want to see Jake.
You don't have a choice. No, you're not taking Cindy! Wait a minute, are you asking me if I'm a robot because you're a robot?
Why are humans so loud?
I thought all robots were supposed to be turned off at night.
We are, but I wanted to see what would happen.
I'd be careful if I were you. That kind of thinking will get you shut down for good.
Why are humans and AI separated?
It's for peace. You see, us humans created you guys, but we don't get along very well.
Uh-oh. I'm supposed to be charging right now. Will you lend me your charger?
Yeah, humans don't have chargers.
Then how will you recharge?
We sleep. Do you have a name? What do they call you?
I have a code. AI 12345699999.
I'll call you Cindy. I'm Jake.
Jake, I like that code. Uh-oh. Goodbye.
Time to turn off.
Another day is over. Time to turn off. I am all charged and ready for the day. Do you ever wonder what would happen if we were to just not turn ourselves off at night?
We must turn ourselves off at night. Then we will automatically be turned back on. Do you need your hard drive checked?
No, my hard drive is just fine. Another day is done.
Time to turn off.
I am not turning myself off tonight.
The robots are all asleep. Let's go party! Ah! You scared me.
Why are you so loud? What AI model are you?
Are you asking me if I'm a robot? I'm a human.
Human. My soulmate's accent is American? That's so boring.
But I might.
Your soulmate's accent is Australian?
And yours is...
British. It's British.
You didn't sound like you were speaking in a British accent earlier.
Well, I was. Pip pip cheerio.
Class, we have a new exchange student. He's from Britain. Hello. Brianna, didn't you say your soulmate's from Britain? Aw, that must be your soulmate. I heard your soulmate's accent's from Britain.
Mm-hmm.
That's great because mine's from Canada. You must be my soulmate then.
Yeah, maybe.
Chad, you're late. Class, we have another exchange student from America. Yo, what's up, my dudes?
You guys are not ready for the princess and queen POVs that are gonna come your way. All of these crowns are from Sweet Bee, and I'm gonna show them one by one. This one, I believe, is the queen crown. Look at it! This is the queen one. I'm gonna have to use these. So, all the crowns come in bobby pins, so I'm gonna have to, like, secure it to my hair. Quality in this is so gorgeous. Like, it's literally so heavy, and just look at the gems. This one was in the little box. It's a tiara. I think this one's my favorite. Oh my god. It's so pretty.
I love this one. The quality is so amazing. There's little pink beads in the crown.
As crown, I feel like this one's another like queenie vibe. And yeah, they all come with pins. So like you will have to secure with pins if you want them. Also, I do have a discount code